Alright folks, let's talk trading. Don't worry, I'll do my best to avoid trading jargons, I promise. As a seasoned trader, I've come to realize that what is important in this game is having a rock solid platform. Think of it as your superpower, the force that empowers you to unleash your full trading ability in the long run. It's not just a tool, it's the key to unlocking your trading power. Profitability is not just about making money, it's about having a platform that gives you that level of coolness. Imagine sleek interfaces effortlessly guiding your navigation, cutting-edge charting tools empowering your analysis, and a wide array of assets lying before you like a buffet. The appeal is undeniable, right? Who wouldn't crave such a seamless and enjoyable trading journey? So here is the scoop. Deriv is that go-to trading body. With a track record spanning 25 years, they have mastered the game. They are legit and regulated worldwide. But that's not all. They are registered with multiple financial bodies. So if you're a seasoned trader or a beginner, you can trade with absolute peace of mind. Deriv is not just a platform, it's a reliable partner in the trading game. Now here is the interesting part. You can jump into the trading action with $5. Yes, $5. No need to empty your pocket to get started on your trading adventure. They've got a couple of amazing platforms, but I find the Deriv MT5 best suits me. And here is how to use it.
Alright guys, this is how to get a Deriv account. Use the link in the description box or you go to the Deriv website. Create free demo account. Okay, put in your email address. You can as well use the Google option there. So you sign up, an email will be sent to you. Then go to your email address and look for the email sent to you. Your inbox, you see it there. Here's the email. The email is for you to verify your account. Open the email sent to you and verify your account. When you're done verifying it, it launches you to this page introducing various trading platforms on Deriv. So click on next, follow the process next. You can as well read about them. Click on next until it launches you to Traders Hub. Here is the Traders Hub where you have a demo account. But we don't want a demo account, we want a real account. You can scroll down where you can see the CFDs, the Deriv MT5 and the financial. This is where you can get the demo version of it, but we want the real version for the CFDs. You go back up and you click on where you see the demo and change to real. That's you're looking for a real account, but you cannot get that until you have a CFD account with Deriv. Click on getting a CFD account with Deriv. It asks you the currency. We're going to be going with the US dollar. Click on the US dollar and follow the process. Step by step, your proof of identification. It could be your international passport. Put in the numbers there. And then scroll down. Put your date of birth, which is very important. Don't skip any of this process. When you're done with putting your date of birth, click on next. Your country. Follow all the instructions carefully until you get to the last page and get the account. Wait for a minute. Your account is ready. You can proceed to deposit. So right now, the next process is to get the Deriv MT5, which is the most important thing. Scroll down and you see the CFDs, see the derived, and you see the financial. So want to get the Deriv MT5, create a password for it, and boom, you're successful. Now you have a Deriv MT5. You can now proceed to the MT5 app to log into your account.
What makes Deriv even more enticing is their commitment to making things easily accessible. Coupled with round-the-clock customer support, exotic pairs, tight spread, seamless withdrawal and deposit, and a user-friendly interface. Deriv ensures that your trading journey becomes easy and not just about numbers. Trading is smart and not hard. Click on the link below to explore, learn and trade like a champ with Deriv.